Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your HubSpot tracking code to your site. So let's get right into it. Now, the tracking code is pretty much a code which is used in the HTML side of your website to connect HubSpot with your website. They communicate amongst each other and share information which might be relevant. For example, your site can send analytics to your HubSpot, which you can then analyze and use to better do business. Now, to actually get your code, you need to go into your settings. And once you're in your settings, you need to find the tracking code. If you're on the free version or a couple of different versions, you'll just have tracking code. If you're on any other versions, you'll have tracking and analytics. And under that, you'll find the tracking code. You can also click on the search at the top to find it, but just click on tracking code and you'll find this code as you see here. You just need to copy this, and the main important part of this is you need to add it to your body tag, as you can see, just like this. Before you get the / body tag in your HTML, which is the closure of the body, you will need to add this text before the end, and then your tag will be added. You also have other things in regards to WordPress. You need to download the zip file for WordPress and add the hub ID, which is shown here, and then you'll be able to use it in tandem with WordPress. I'm not sure exactly how other hosts do it. I do know on Squarespace you need to go into your pages and then into your website tools and then go into code injection and add it to the header section. But once you do that, that is pretty much it. I do recommend you research your own hosting service and see how you can add it there, since all of them differ, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.